Okay. Now we'll just see some questions and we'll see whatever we have gone through. From that only the questions are there. Just tell one by one. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Ashok having business place in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So he is having both the business, both states is doing business. He makes intrastate supply from these states. In Tamil Nadu also he does the intrastate, and in Kerala also he does the intrastate. And the turnover from these states not exceeds 150 lakhs. Whether he can avail the benefit of composite scheme for supply of goods?
Yes, sir. I think yes, because he has done in only intrastate supply.
Okay.
So and one more threshold not exceed 1.5 crore. So he can avail benefit of composite scheme.
Okay.
And both location, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, both location the composite will apply.
Okay. So while answering this, we have to say yes, under one pan, even multiple business places he is having. So while calculating the turnover, we have to see all the state turnover, and it is not crossing 150 lakhs. Hence, he can avail the composite levy. And also, as you said, he does only intrastate supply. He can avail the credit. Okay. He can avail the scheme. Okay. Mr. Money doing supply of services in Delhi and Haryana, and does the intrastate supply, and the turnover of these states does not exceed 50 lakhs. Whether he can avail the benefit of composite scheme? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, this case of the similar case.
Okay. Suppose in case of supply services, if it is good, still he is eligible to claim.
Relax.
Okay, good. So in the previous example, in the question number 1, suppose if it is services, whether he can avail the composite living?
No, sir.
No, because
150.
the services means up to 50 lakhs only he can do. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Third question. Mr. Gopal Ram having one unit in Tamil Nadu and another unit in Karnataka. Total turnover of the two units in the preceding financial year is 115 lakhs. Q1 turnover of current year is rupees 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs respectively. Calculate the composition levy of the respective states. Suppose he is a manufacturer. So what is the levy that he will be? The amount of composition levy of the respective states. He is a manufacturer and he is doing a turnover in the last financial year for the two units aggregated to 115 lakhs. In the current financial year, in the first quarter of the current financial year, he has the revenue of 10 crores and 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs respectively. What is the composition levy? So what is the rate for the manufacturer? Composite tax rate?
5%, sir?
No, sir, it is 1%.
Sorry, 1%.
0.5. Correct. Okay.
0.5. So 1%. So what is the amount of tax which will come under composite levy, sir?
So 15 lakhs, sir.
Sorry?
1%.
Okay, no problem. The first state, what is the turnover of first state in the current financial year?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs, right?
Yes, sir.
Just 10 lakhs into 1%, 10,000 rupees.
10%.
And second state, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 1% is 5,000 rupees.
5%.
So the taxpayer, the Gopal Ram, will pay tax of rupees 15,000 under composite levy. You got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 4. Mr. Sasi is a trader. The term trader of both taxable and exempted goods and having business in Andhra and Kerala. The total aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year is 115 lakhs. In current year, he has made the taxable turnover and exempted turnover, say 50 lakhs and 30 lakhs respectively. In this case, what is your composite levy? Again, I'm repeating. சசின்றவர் ஒருத்தர் என்ன பண்றாரு, அவர் டாக்ஸபிளும் குட்ஸும் பண்றாரு, எக்ஸம்டட் குட்ஸும் பண்றாரு. பிசினஸ்ல ரெண்டு குட்ஸுமே விற்கிறாரு. எந்த ஸ்டேட்ல? ஆந்திரால விற்கிறாரு, கேரளால விற்கிறாரு. The preceding financial yearல அவரோட turnover வந்து 115 lakhs. Okay. And in current year அவரோட total turnover எவ்வளோ? 80 லட்சம் ரூபாய், 80 lakhs. Out of 80 lakhs, 50 lakhs is taxable turnover and 30 lakhs is the exempted turnover.
Oh, 50,000.
We have studied the composite rate is applicable on the taxable turnover, which means
50,000.
the taxable turnover. So only 50 lakhs rupees is eligible for levy purpose.
Yes.
So what is the rate?
50,000.
He is a trader.
Trader.
1% only he has to pay under composite tax. So the liability is 50 lakhs into 1%, which is 50,000 rupees.
Okay.
For the purpose of aggregate turnover only, we have to include the exempted turnover. For computation of taxable, for computation of composite levy, we should not consider the exempted goods. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the tricky question you may get in your exam. We should not consider both.
Suppose my
Only the
exempt-
taxable turnover for levy purpose.
suppose sir my exempted turnover itself 150 lakhs. Then automatically my eligibility will be cancelled, no sir?
Correct. No, first of all, and the limit cross actually முடிஞ்சிச்சு இல்லையா?
Even exempted or not exempted, that is not, doesn't matter.
Next question will go. Mrs. Shalini rendering supply of services in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The turnover in the last preceding financial year is 40 lakhs. And in current year, the turnover of first quarter in both the states together is 15 lakhs. What is the amount of levy under composite scheme? Number, இங்க என்னென்ன பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா, Shalini is rendering only services.
So 50 lakhs eligibility.
Sorry?
So 50 lakhs is the eligibility, 40 lakhs.
50 lakhs eligibility because it is up to 50 lakhs. And what is the rate applicable for her? Pure services means I have told some rate. 6%. Okay. 1% for manufacture goods are இருந்ததுன்னா 1%, 5% தான் இருக்க முடியும். Services are இருந்ததுன்னா 6% தான் இருக்க முடியும். Okay. So
yeah, service அதிகம் sir. Yeah, service அதிகமா இருக்கு.
சர்வீஸ்ல தான் பணம் வந்து கிடைக்க முடியும். குட்ஸுக்கு வந்து மார்ஜின் கம்மி, டாக்ஸ் கம்மி.
Okay.
Majority of services is 18%, right?
Yes, sir.
Very less services comes under the lesser category. So 6% he has to pay under composite scheme.
Even 3%, sir.
Ama.
3 plus 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And next question. Mr. Kumar rendering supply of services. He started the business in the current financial year and hence the turnover in preceding financial year is nil. Q1 turnover is 20 lakhs. Q2 turnover is 30 lakhs. And Q3 turnover is 20 lakhs. It's really a tricky question. Describe the eligibility of the composite levy. In the current year financial year தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற business அதனால வந்து previous year turnover அவருக்கு இருக்காது.
But he is not eligible,
He
sir.
starts. Sorry.
He is not eligible.
No, why he is not eligible?
Because current year itself.
They said preceding financial year is up to 150. Zero also included, right?
So supply of services. But even though last year there is no service, but current year he exceeds the limit of 50 lakhs.
That is what. So you have to see stage by stage.
Yes.
For services, exempted threshold is 20 lakhs. Correct? Being
Yes.
the first year, okay,
yes, sir.
to calculate the composite levy, they are saying Q1 turnover is 20 lakhs.
Yes.
From the April 1st to till the threshold limit of 20 lakhs, which is the Q1, you are not liable to pay tax. Correct? Because your turnover is up to 20 lakhs.
Okay.
அதுக்கப்புறம் Q2 ல turnover வந்து என்ன ஆகுது 30 lakhs வருது.
Yes.
For that 30 lakhs, he can register himself under GST and he can pay tax under composite levy.
Okay.
So, at this juncture of Q2, up to Q2 பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களுடைய turnover வந்து 50 லட்சம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Okay.
ஏன் அப்படின்னா Q1 ல 20 lakhs basic exemption avail பண்ணிட்டாரு. Q2 ல 30 lakhs avail பண்ணிட்டாரு. இந்த இடத்துல வந்து total turnover 50 lakhs ஆயிடுச்சு. நம்ம ஒரு கண்டிஷன் பார்த்திருக்கோம் காம்போசிட் ஸ்கீமுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 50 lakhs தான் வரும்ட்டு.
ஆமா.
அப்ப Q3 ல if it has any turnover more than 50 lakhs, which means இவர் ஒரு 20 லட்சம் அடிஷனலா Q3 ல பண்றாரு அப்படின்னா the regular rate of tax will get applied for this applicable. அந்த காம்போசிட் ஸ்கீம் 50 லட்சத்தோட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு.
ஓகே.
அடுத்த 20 லட்சத்துக்கு அவர் 18% டாக்ஸ் பே பண்ணணும். 3,60,000 rupees. So in 3 quarters, 3 different scenarios he is facing. Quarter 1 or GST eligibility GST eligible threshold limit சொல்றாரு. Quarter 2 ல வந்து register பண்ணிக்கிறாரு. Register under composite scheme and he is paying tax at the composite scheme rate. The moment exceeds the threshold limit in Q3, he attracts with the regular tax, he considered as a regular taxpayer and he is paying tax at the rate of 18%. இது எல்லா ப்ரொவிஷன்ஸும் நீங்க எழுதணும்.
Okay.
For this particular question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mr. Next question, Rama.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramesh is engaged in supply of goods. Supply of goods. His turnover in preceding year is 60 lakhs. Up to what limit he can render services in the current financial year? Second question adile, when the composition levy will get lapsed? இதுக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
His turnover is 60 lakhs.
Up to what limit he can render services? அவரோட மெயின் வந்து goods தான். Up to what limit he can render services in the current financial year? ஒரு கண்டிஷன் படிச்சோம். This or this whichever is higher ன்னு படிச்சோம். என்னது? 10% of the preceding turnover or 5 lakhs, whichever is higher, to that extent he can render services படிச்சோமா?
Yes, sir.
Composite goods or service இருந்ததுன்னா up to this limit he can render services. So in this given case 10% of 60 lakhs is 6 lakhs.
Yes.
Or
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs, whichever is higher.
So 60 lakhs.
Up to 6 lakhs he can render services.
Yes.
In the current financial year and he can still avail the composite scheme.
Yes.
When the composition levy will lapse, the moment the 6 lakhs becomes 7 lakhs, more than 6 lakhs, the composition levy will get lapsed.
That's
Okay.
No, not only for service or goods it includes, sir.
Only goods பண்றப்ப services இருந்ததுன்னா சொல்றாங்க.
Right, sir. But service exceeded the 6 lakhs. Whereas goods is only 60 lakhs. Can I get composition levy for goods?
இல்ல அப்படி பண்ண முடியாது, அதுதான் சொல்றாங்க.
Okay.
You cannot go only for goods.
Okay.
ஏன்னா goods பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கப்ப இந்த சர்வீசஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா up to 6 lakhs தான். நீ ஈவன் 6 lakh 1000 சர்வீஸ் ரெண்டர் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா உனக்கு காம்போசிட் ஸ்கீம் எலிஜிபிலிட்டியே கிடையாது. இல்ல நான் குட்ஸ் மட்டும் வச்சுக்கிறேன் சர்வீசஸ் டிசோலோ பண்ணுங்கன்னா அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கீம் கிடையாது.
Okay.
So the taxpayer has to ensure it should be within the threshold limit. And the 10% of the preceding financial year or 5 lakhs, whichever is higher ன்றதுலே வெச்சுக்கணும்.
Okay.
Turnover of 1.5 crore. Next question. Crossed on 9th December 2023. When the composition scheme gets lapsed.
December.
September. 30th September.
No, immediately only. 9th December onwards. Whatever the supply he made from the date of 10th, he has to go for a regular scheme.
Sir, but the first case we see, sir, the 3 quarters, first quarter we can avail IT, the composition scheme. Second quarter also within the limit he is availed. Third quarter only it is exceeded. That point of time only we are paying higher tax.
Correct.
Similarly here 9th December means it is the third quarter or fourth quarter.
So he is doing goods now.
Yeah, goods only, sir.
1.5 crore means goods.
The goods, that also goods only. What we discussed.
That was services.
No, sir. In the one case, first quarter 50
Question 6
40.
only talking about, right? Mr. Kumar entering supply of services.
Not this one, sir. One more already.
Well, which one?
One second, sir.
I'm just putting this.
50 lakhs. Yeah, I think okay, correct. So, yeah.
So here the moment they exceed the prescribed limit, they are supposed to be a registered person, normal regular person.
Then the whole year tax will be regular tax.
The rest of the period.
That's why I'm asking. Rest of the period. So up to 9th December he is eligible.
Up to 9th December he is 100% eligible and he can pay tax under composite levy. The moment it crosses 150 lakhs, he has to pay under regular.
Okay, now understood.
Yeah. So I think one more minute only is there. Probably I'll just send the slides to you. On another 4 questions are there. Just go through it and we will discuss in the coming tomorrow session.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And to Mr. Arumugam, I will send you the 3 days PPT to you.
Okay, sir.
Probably if you have time, you can reach out to me in the next week. I will clarify whatever the queries that you are having.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you have my contact details, mail ID or phone number?
I have your phone number.
Okay.
Just you note down my number here, 98414340333.
98414.
Here it is mentioning in the screen.
Right. 34033. Okay.
Yeah. You just text your mail ID so that I can send it in the mail itself.
Okay, sir. Sure. Okay.
Okay. And please go through the previous whenever you found time, because you people are working in an organization, it's very difficult to get the time in going through the concepts and these things. For you to maybe scheduled accordingly to go through the slides and ask questions so that it will not அது மறந்து போகாம இருக்கும். அதனால தான் சொல்றேன்.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.